Hi everyone, I'm Ivan, Iki co-founder, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Iki to manage your inner team's knowledge. So first of all, here's library, and there's already a bunch of stuff saved. You can enter any card, check what's inside, ask Iki to extract key ideas from this document. It's about graph rag. Quite some things in here, okay, good. Coming back to library, and then let's enter this video by Marcus Brownlee, Rabbit R1 review, and ask him why does he think that R1 is barely reviewable, as he says. Okay, great. And now to the best part. Let's search inside the whole library. So I'm too lazy to check for particular material. I just want to have answers. And I'm going to ask my library how to get to product market fit, a crucial thing for any startup. So I got search results in here, and then I got a good answer referencing sources in here. Perfect. Now I want to change domain and ask the whole Iki index the same question. So we've got a bit of different search results in here, and then a bit different answer on the left, referencing different sources. Cool. And now let's try to augment our knowledge with web search. Takes a bit longer. Okay, good points too. So that's Iki Copilot experience. You're welcome to try it.